Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to hide your WhatsApp status from someone. If you want to prevent a specific person from seeing your WhatsApp status, follow these steps. So first, open WhatsApp. Next, tap on You at the bottom right corner. Now, once you're here, scroll down until you see Privacy. Click on it. Once you're here, scroll down until you see Status. So select that. Next, you'll see three options under Audience Who Can See My Status. So first you have My Contacts. So this allows all of your WhatsApp contacts to see your status. Next you have My Contacts Except. So this lets you hide your status from specific people. So simply select the contacts you don't want to share your status with, then tap the check mark button in the top right corner. And finally you have Only Share With. So this lets you choose exactly which contacts can see your status. So everyone else will be excluded. So for this example, if you want to hide your status from just one person, you can select My Contacts Except, then choose that one person.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
After you choose that person, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes, just like so. And that's it, so that person won't be able to see your new WhatsApp status updates. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.